Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to learn how to find out the price related to buying and selling, and on the basis of that how to find out profit and loss. So are you all ready for that? So let us start. So, in order to learn how to find out the profit percentage and the loss percentage, we will solve some of the problems. So, first problem, Sohan bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 2,500, then spent rupees 500 on its repair and sold it for rupees 3,300. Find his loss or gain percentage, right? So let us find out. So what will be your approach? So we know when there will be a loss and when there will be a profit. So definitely when we spend more than when we have spent more, but we have sold the a particular object with a less amount, then we are in loss. But if you have spent less money but you could sell it with higher value, then you will get a profit. Correct? So this is the concept. Very simple, right? So here first let us find out the cost price of the refrigerator. Okay, so cost price of the refrigerator bought by Sohan will be equal to what? The cost which he has paid for it and the expenses. Okay, so cost paid by him plus the expenses for repairing. Expenses for repairing. Correct? So the cost price, which can be indicated as CP, will be equal to, so what is the cost paid by Sohan? It is rupees 2,500 plus expenses for repairing is 500. So the cost price of the second hand refrigerator is rupees 3,000. Now he is selling it for rupees 3,300. So selling price is equal to, so which is denoted by SP, is equal to rupees 3,300, right? So as selling price is greater than cost price, hence there is a profit. So there is a profit. So how you are going to get that profit? So profit is nothing but equal to the selling price minus the cost price, which in this case will be equal to 3,300 minus rupees 3,000, which is equal to rupees 300. Correct? So now how to find out the profit percentage then? So the profit percentage can be found out by this formula. So the profit percentage, so profit can be indicated by P. So P percentage is equal to the P which you have obtained divided by the cost price into 100, right? So what is the P here? You have already obtained, that is 300. What is the cost price you have got earlier? So that is 3000 into 100, correct? So your profit percentage in this case is 10%, is 10%. So Sohan made profit of 10%. Correct, children? Hope you have understood this problem. Okay. So now let us take one more problem. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10 each. However, 5 bulbs were fused and had to be thrown away. The remaining were sold at rupees 12. Find the gain or loss percentage. Okay. So, as the shopkeeper has purchased 200 bulbs for rupees 10, so we can write the cost price of 200 bulbs is equal to 200 into 10, that is rupees 2000, right? So as 5 bulbs were fused and were thrown away, number of bulbs left will be equal to 200 minus 5, that is 195. Now this 195 bulbs has to be sold at the cost of rupees 12, right? Because you are left with 195. You don't have 200 bulbs now because 5 bulbs are wasted. So now you have only, the shopkeeper have only 195 bulbs to sell and make profit or gain depending on its price. Okay. So the selling price of 195 bulbs is equal to 195 into rupees 12. Okay. So which is equal to rupees 2340. Okay. So this is your selling price and this was your cost price, right? So as again selling price is greater than the cost price, so there is a gain or profit, right? So how to find out the profit again? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 2340 minus 2000, that is equal to 340. Then we need to find out the percentage. So percentage of profit, P percentage is equal to P divided by cost price into 100. So that is equal to 340 divided by your 2000 into 100, right? So that is equal to 17%. So your profit, the shopkeeper is making profit equal to 17%. So this is your answer. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Okay. Now let us go to another problem. Minu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200 each. She sold one at a loss of 5% and the other at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of each. Also find out the total profit or loss. Okay. So first let us write down. Minu bought 2 fans for rupees 1200. Right. She sold one at a loss of 5%. That is, if price is 100, then price here it means the cost price. If cost price is 100, then the selling price SP is 100 minus 5, that is 95. Okay. So the selling price of fan with loss of 5% can be found out like this. That is 95 divided by 100 into 1200. Correct or not? So you have 95 into 12, that is rupees 1140. Right? So as Minu is selling the other fan at a profit of 10%. So she sold the other fan with profit of 10%. Okay. So that means the selling price of fan with profit of 10% is equal to 110 divided by 100 into 1200. Right? So you have 110 into 12, which is equal to 1320. Right? So now you have got the selling price of both the fan. So now you have to decide whether it is profit or loss based on the total amount of cost price and total amount of selling price. So let us find out. So total cost price of 2 fans is equal to how much? Rupees. For each is sold at each is purchased at the rate of 1200. So rupees 1200 plus rupees 1200. So that is equal to rupees 2400. Right? Now the total selling price of the fans. So one with 5% loss and one with 10% profit. So that we have already obtained the selling price of individual fan. Correct or not? So that is equal to rupees 1140 with 5% loss plus rupees 1320 with 10% profit. So that is equal to 236. So that is equal to 2460. Right? 140 plus 20 60. Yeah, it is 2460. Okay. So your total CP is equal to rupees 2400 and your SP is equal to 2460. So as selling price is greater than the cost price, so profit is equal to SP minus CP. So that is equal to 2460 minus 2400, that is equal to rupees 60. Right? So again, if you want to find out the percentage of profit, again the same method, that is 60 divided by 2400 into 100. So, right, so this is divisible by your 6, so this becomes 10 and 4, again 5 by 2, so this is equal to 2.5 percentage. So that is equal to 2.5 percentage. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this today's class. Hope you have understood all the problems. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to download the Etuson app and also follow us in Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Okay children, take care of yourself. Keep smiling and keep practicing.